Nagkita ng muli ang magkapatid na sina Gretchen at Claudine Barreto matapos ang 9 na buwang lockdown. December 18 nang mag-post ng larawan si Claudine kasama si Gretchen. Palanggas finally. After 9 months. Last night, my ate passed by my mommy Michi's house. I was so happy. I thought she wouldn't come na cause late na. And she was busy with so many meetings yesterday. But she still found time to greet my mommy Mitch and I. Her being there just goes to show that in fun and good times, she will put us first, especially on your lowest. She will make sure to check on me. Thank you, my ate. I cried because I missed her. Tears of joy. I love you so much. Caption ni Claudine sa kanyang post. Nagkomento naman sa post na iyon si Gretchen. I was so happy to see you, baby girl. Komento ni Gretchen sa post ni Claudine.